children. In today's maths lesson, we are going to learn how to be very accurate when we describe where things are or what their position is. Let's get started. Okay, children, let's take a look at our learning sentences for this lesson. What am I learning today? I am learning how to describe and find the position of a square on a grid of squares with rows and columns labeled. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe the position of a square on a grid of squares with rows and columns labeled, and you can find the position of a square on a grid of squares with rows and columns labeled. Now, children, can you help me out? Can you think of words to describe position? Okay, I'm going to share with you 4 important words we're going to use a lot in today's lesson. Have above, below, left, and right. These are 4 words we're going to use quite a lot today. Over here we have a grid, children. Now, if we look along the bottom and down the side, we can see numbers and letters, children. They are very useful because they help us locate exact places on the map. The letters along the bottom tell us how far or left an object is, whilst the number on the side tell us how far up or down a position is. We need them both, children, to describe and find one of the squares on the grid. Now, we need to help Santa, children. Let's take a look at the following questions. Where can Santa find Christmas tree? I'm sure most of you can see the Christmas tree on the grid, but we need to help Santa locate the exact grid. So what are we going to do? We are going to look at the letter at the bottom of the grid, which is what, children? It's E, well done. And we go up and locate the number on the side, which is 5. Well done. Let's try out the rest. Where can Santa find the presents? What can we find in box C3? And what can we find 2 squares below the Christmas tree? Can you help me out? Okay, children. Now, where can we find the Christmas tree? We're going to take a look at the position of the Christmas tree. We're going to take a look at the letter below that column, which is E, and the number at the side, which is 5. So we find the letter first and then the number of the box. Where can Santa find presents? I'm sure most of you found the presents, but can we help Santa locate the presents? Well done. It's box A2. What can we find in square C3, children? Can you guess? Take a look at the column C, go up a bit, find snowman and locate the number. Well done. And what can we find 3 squares below the Christmas tree? So we know where the Christmas tree is. Now we're going down 3 squares. What can we find? A reindeer. Well done, children. I'm sure Santa's really happy that you helped him out. In class, we're going to learn more about finding positions of a square in a grid. See you soon.